alone in a room. It's just me and you. I'm so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. But what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world seems so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart.